Very good evening to everybody. Right, you know what the old Feliciana Kuchen used to look like. Hello guys, right, we're in a restaurant called Feliciana and it's on Dover Street, just off Magsaysay. It's near where you go and pay your water bill.
Yeah.
Right? And we're here because of these two lovely people.
Hello.
Now we've got Dwayne and Alice. It's been totally rebuilt. I thought they were just refurbing it, but it's actually totally rebuilt. Look at it now, guys. Can you remember how it used to be? Go and have a look at the old video. Look through my videos and see how it used to be. And I've seen stuff online and it's really lovely inside now. So we've got a beautiful environment to sit in and we've got beautiful food. I know what the food's like. It's out of this world. The chef is the owner and she was trained in Japan and the food is just amazing. It's the best I've had since I've come in the Philippines. I think this is the best, if not one of the best places in Naga, to be honest, restaurants. So I'll see if I've come to meet two of my subscribers. I don't think they're here yet. Maybe they are, I don't know. Maybe inside. Yeah, they're inside, I think. Hello. William.
Yes.
How are you?
How are you? Well, how are you?
Hello.
Hello.
What's
Jackie.
Jackie. Hello, Jackie. So this is William and Jackie. They kindly invited me for a nice meal here. They're going to love the food, I'm telling you now. As you can see, guys, it's all been refurbished. It's beautiful, lovely now, and the staff are great. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll get back to you in a bit when we've chosen the food. Okay? Smile, guys. So guys, the food's come. Look at this. What did you get, William? What's that?
Chicken biryani.
Oh, it looks beautiful. And we've got some prawns and fries and dip. And you've got what?
Salpicao.
This is Jackie, by the way.
It's beef salpicao.
Beef. And I've got like beef rib. I had this last time with mashed potato. Oh, it's to die for, guys. The food here is beautiful. They're going to go away and I'm telling you now, they'll come back again. So before we start eating, I just want William and Jackie to give you a brief, run-in of how they met and, what's the future plans, etc.
Okay, so we met 3 years ago online on a dating website, Filipino Cupid. Jacqueline was actually the first woman to message me on there, do a video call.
Oh, cool.
And 3 years later, or 2.5 years later, this past March, I came to meet her and live with her family. And it took me only 3 weeks to decide to propose after the experience. And then I stayed here for another 5 months, for a total of 6 months, and got a feel of what it'd be like living here, and then decided that I love this so much that I would stay here permanently. And yes, we will be getting married this December 8th.
Where will you be getting married? The cathedral?
The Our Lady of Peña Shrine.
Yeah. Oh, cool, cool. Just one more thing then, because we don't want to get, the food totally cold. You're not very old, William, or at least you don't look near retiring yet. How are you going to financially stay in the Philippines, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm going to, I have been for the past 3 or 4 months, teaching English online as a tutor. There's a platform called Native that caters to Japanese business people. The pay's pretty good for if you live in the Philippines.
I know you're qualified to do that, by the way.
Because I am qualified because I'm a native English speaker.
Right, there you go.
Yes.
So the next thing I want to ask is, how hard is it? Is it easy? Is it easy to teach the English?
It is. The tools, the textbook and everything makes it very easy to find your cadence and present the lesson to the student.
Yeah. Cool. All right then guys, we're going to get down to eating. When we're finished, we'll finish the video off. And as usual, I hope you all enjoyed the video and we'll see you at the end. Bye for now. So guys, I'm waiting to see the owner. She's very busy. She's probably annoyed I wanted to come out, but I want to see the owner. This is one of the staff. What's your name?
I'm Naga.
Yeah, she's new, she's lovely. This is another one of the staff. All the staff are brilliant and the food is absolutely amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. I just want to say hello to the owner, who's the chef. She was trained in Japan. That's where she learned how to cook. As you can see, when you have the plate put in front of you, you can see she's been very well trained. So I just want to say hello, a quick hello, so she can get back to work. And I recommend, what's the name of the place?
Feliciana, sir.
Feliciana Kuchen. Feliciana Kuchen.
Yes.
Right?
Please do come.
Yeah. Do come, support the place, it's worth it. I've come with William and his future wife. They say they're coming back again. The food's absolutely amazing. It really is. It's cooked to perfection. Definitely. Okay, the chef, who obviously is the owner, I've mentioned that to you guys. She's pretty busy. If she comes out, I'll get her on camera for 30 seconds. Just want to ask William and Jacqueline? Yes. Sorry, I don't want to. William and Jacqueline, how was the food?
It's good.
Oh, it's delicious. The spices are just right.
And would you come again?
Yeah, we will.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, that's cool. I definitely would, but I've been before, so I know what the food's like. So don't forget, guys, Feliciana Kuchen. If you're in Naga, look it up. You won't be disappointed. The place is beautiful, staff are great, and the food's out of this world. And if you're lucky, the chef might come out and have a word with you. I hope she'll come out before we go. I'll never know. You never know. Sorry. Okay, guys, we've had the food's been absolutely amazing. I'm not joking. Excuse me. I've ate more than I should have done. I could eat that, but I don't want them to think I'm a total pig. So the food's been great, guys. You're going to come back again. It's been lovely meeting them both. They're getting married on the 6th. 8th. See, I was close. And I'd love to see them again one day, if they're ever free and they want somebody that never shuts up talking. So thanks guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please come to this restaurant. You will not be disappointed. Will they be disappointed, guys? No. Not a little bit. So see you on the next one. Bye.